Under blazing heat, our solar empire thrives, until chaos strikes without warning. Death spreads like wildfire through the grid.
Holy shit, we're hemorrhaging power.
Half the eastern seaboard's going dark.
Get me those drone cowboys now!
The cavalry arrives with rotors spinning.
Launch everything, no mercy for malfunctions.
Thermal eyes hunt the burning failures. LiDAR strips away lies, reveals truth. Every broken connection exposed in brutal detail. Data flows like blood to the desperate surgeons.
Damn good intel makes damn good fixes.
She's breathing again!
The beast awakens, hungry for sunlight. Victory tastes like perfectly captured lightning.
We pulled off a miracle. Let's lock it all down and rest for tomorrow.
Call Extreme Aerial today to make sure this doesn't happen to your site.
Run one more pass on those connections. No chances, not now.
We pulled off a miracle. Let's lock it all down and rest for tomorrow.